DeckMax is going to offer you pre-grooved decking, meaning we're going to profile the side of the board to eliminate you having to biscuit cut it, which we offer in the original biscuit system. The whole benefit of our pro-grooved decking is speed for contractors, speed for yourself to get the project completed. It's fast and efficient. Your waste goes from about 10 or 12% down to about 2%. We work through those quantities with you to establish what is most suited for you. We do all the quantities. We add traditionally 5% waste, fast, efficient, and a very high quality. Our timber comes to you with a 0.2 mil tolerance in width or thickness in variation. The timber comes straight, so your use and ease of operation is fantastic. First things we need to know is the size of the area, what color timber you're going to choose. We will match all that together and put together a package we call a bill of quantities, which will give you exact lineal meters of material, all your clips and screws delivered to your job site as required. This is the Pro Biscuit. You can see there's a different shape. That's the profile on the side of the board. The biscuit fits into that, versus, as you may remember, the original biscuit, which is a flat biscuit with a leg on it which fits a 3 mil gap. So as you can see, the Pro Biscuit is quite a bit different to the original biscuit. We use wood screws. They're a self-drilling wood screw for timber frame. We use a self-drilling metal screw for metal frame. When you do the quantities, we do a kit of everything: screws, biscuits, glue, square drives, everything you require for the job outside of your own normal tools. This will give you a good cross-section view of how the decking looks. You can see the biscuits fit within the boards. As it assembles, it conceals the previous half. The screw is simply fixed down. The major part of our success is coming from what we call end matching. End matching means the end of the board is grooved. Wherever it lies, you simply join the next board using our unique patented T-piece biscuit, and you do not have to cut and join on a joist. This is a major saving for labour and for waste and for a high quality finish. You'll note the T-piece has a little mark on it. That's where you trim to go from a 140, 110 mil board down to a 90 mil board. Simply trim it. We use the normal tools and accessories. The wood plug kit is as you've seen in the accessories. This gives you your beautiful finish to start and also to finish. The tools are the counterbore tool that prepares the hole in the board. All these accessories are available from us, and we would list in your list of bill of quantities. Remember, you can use this for screening and for decking. There's no limitation to its application. It can be used for ceiling linings and any application you choose. The timbers we carry, these are the three most popular. This is the red ironbark. It's cut at 90 mil by 19. This is grooved both sides. It is end matched. It also comes as what we call a starter board, which is grooved one side only. So the red ironbark, the highest durability timber available. This is very high quality timber. It is a beautiful rich red. The finished color depends on what oil you choose to put on it. But again, red ironbark, extremely high quality timber, perfect application in any outdoor environment in our really tough and rigorous outdoors. Equally suitable is our spotted gum. It also comes in the 90 mil. Both the red ironbark and the spotted gum come out of Queensland. We mill them ourselves. We actually cut them from logs. These go through a very long drying and kiln drying process to give you perfect timber with specifications that you've probably never seen before. They are within 0.2 mil tolerance. You always have the exact dimensions on the timber. High quality spotted gum, perfect. It suits a certain look. It is a variation in colour that you'd be used to probably from internal flooring. And the third choice is probably our most popular, being Merbau. Merbau is cut in two sizes, 110 and 135. Just depends what stock we have in. This Merbau is probably the finest Merbau you've ever seen. It is also milled in the same tolerance as our Australian hardwood. This Merbau is cut to perfection. It is end matched. It is grooved. We do have 10 to 20% of it what we call finger jointed, engineered decking. This enables us to provide you with perfect length timber, 2.4, 2.7 and 3 meters. If you see an article on the website, it'll go into more detail about why we've chosen this and why it becomes such a popular option and to keep freight costs down to get it to your job site within budget. Remember, the mitered corners and picture framing board is part of our system. Simply talk to us about it. For all the details we provide for you allows you to butt joint on your mitered corners, butt joint to a picture framing board, ends up with not that. That's not what you want. This is what you want. High quality corners, detail that you're proud of, and we have the fixings and the timber and the mechanisms to provide that type of finish. If you want to set a different gap, you simply insert a packer that could be 5mm or 6mm. This is really important when you're close to ground to get your extra air ventilation and circulation to keep all the ambient moisture correct on the top of the board and the underside of the board. Please continue down the bottom of this page and complete the questionnaire. This will allow us to understand, do a quick quote, and get all the information, and in particular the pricing back for you. When you call Deckmax, you're going to have the phone answered or your emails answered by a fully qualified decking specialist. We're going to ask a few questions. We want to get your quantities correct and make sure you understand all the accessories that we've spoken of. Look forward to hearing from you at Deckmax.